Good evening.
Hello.
We've changed vans. Over the winter I've built another van, this time based on a Peugeot Boxer. It gives us a lot more room.
And I don't have to make the bed every morning.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll
This time we're at Clay next to the sea, which is about 15 miles west of Cromer on the Norfolk coast. It's too early, so we're about to set off for Holcomb. As you can see, the van's got a lot more headroom. But unfortunately, the split charger hasn't seemed to charge the batteries. So the 12-volt system's down, man down. So
No.
good job we had plenty of torches.
But heater.
But no heating, no.
It's currently what? 1?
Yeah, maybe.
1 degree?
Something like that. But anyway, so we're about to head off down to Holcomb. It is 10 to 6 in the morning. Let's see if we can catch a sunrise or something. Welcome to Holcomb Beach on the Norfolk coast. So we're in February. It's very fresh, but not as fresh as it has been. The weather's not looking too promising today, but we're still out and about, and that's what makes it all worthwhile. So we came up in the camper from the sunny Suffolk last night, and we found a place to park on Parkford night. And it was around the back of the town, or the village hall, which was really peaceful, hard standing, absolutely brilliant. So, and there's a little portaloo there as well, so happy days. So had a good night's sleep, woke up early this morning and then pushed on to Holcomb. This is a big nature reserve. So let's talk about what we've got planned this year. So in April we're off to Norway for 3 weeks. Nothing booked other than 2 ferries. Adventure in Norway, that would be pretty cool. That will all be wild camping. I need to put the solar panel kit on the roof before we go to make sure we have at least 12 volt. Whilst over there we'll pop into a few campsites for the odd shower, which we'll need. Although we have got a portable shower and one of them pop-up tents that we can use, so we'll do that as well. I'll give you a run through of that, you'll be really happy to know. And then we're just going to try and get away as many weekends as we can. We don't know if we'll make France this year, We'll see, hopefully we will. Yeah, Norway, 3 weeks Norway. Travelling from the UK, through Holland, up to Germany, right up to Denmark, and then crossing on that ferry from Denmark to join us. Good. He's on the go. Point our camping cups. So back down that road and out through the gate is where we were earlier at the beach. Now we're actually inside Holcomb Hall estate. As we're walking in, we see all loads of these strange objects. I said to Claire, there's some deer over there. She said, no, never, not that amount. Don't know if you can make them out. But all of that in the background. Loads of deer. Brilliant. Let's have a look and see what Claire's taking a picture of.
Hundreds.
Yeah, you can see that, people. No, probably not. Yeah, there you go.
Oh dear.
They're just along this, in front of us there. So we find ourselves back at Holcomb Beach. Went for a little ride up toward Hunstanton. We thought we'd come back to this area, hopefully catch the last rays of light before the sun goes down. So the main car park that you can use, the road that comes down to this location, is open from 7 in the morning till 6 at night during the winter, and then I think it's 7 in the morning till 9 at night. So we arrived there this morning luckily at 10 to 7 and saw the sign that said it was open at 7, so we hung around for that little 10 minutes. So I reckon this is, well, it's an absolute dog walker's paradise. We haven't seen anything but people walking dogs and bird watchers. And us to top it all off, a bit of photography. We're just heading off in that direction, because that's where the sun's going to set, over there somewhere. It's hiding behind the clouds at the moment. So yeah, a good day in all. A few munches for tonight, in case the old Ludo board comes out. I'm sure it will. It's nice the way that the forest comes right up to the beach here. It's stunning. Also handy if you need to go for a week. So let's go and catch up with Claire. I'll catch you in a bit. Sausage, beans and chips. Excuse the picture quality, we're on the phone at the moment, just for a quick 5 seconds. We're about to settle down for the obligatory game of Ludo. Claire's setting up. He's also making a cup of tea. Wow.
Multitasking.
Pardon?
Multitasking.
Great, that means she divides her brain to 50% of making a cup of tea and 50% in setting the Ludo up, which means...
Colours will be wrong and I'll get a tea and you won't.
No, it doesn't mean that. It means I'm going to end up with Ludo pieces in my cup of tea and a tea bag to move around the board, is what that means. So yeah, so we found out what was wrong with the batteries, why I've got no 12 volts.
Yes. You disconnected them, didn't you?
Yes, I did. I decided in my wisdom whilst carrying out, I was thinking safety first is what I was thinking, but whilst carrying out some essential maintenance, I disconnected the split charger from the battery. So the lovely journey we had yesterday, which was to top up my leisure batteries, didn't really do anything. And we had everything plugged in the back as well, so all it did was drain them, which isn't good for a leisure battery. But at least we found the fault, so it's all connected back up. We just need a good run home, and then when I sit the solar panels on top of the roof rack and get that system wired in, we shouldn't have this problem again.
Meanwhile, we have romantic bulbs.
Yeah, look at that.
Battery powered bulbs.
Massive vehicle build, and I've got lights hanging off of pieces of string from everywhere.
It's romantic. It's Valentine's.
It's romantic. Oh, it is Valentine's weekend, yeah.
Ooh.
See you in the morning. Night night.